You're well. We're going to look at how to play Thinking Out Loud. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, when your mouth won't remember the taste of my love, will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And I could go on. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? Thank you. Oh. So let's have a look at those chords. You've got a C chord, index finger on the first fret of the B, middle finger on the second fret of the D, and then ring finger on the third fret of the A. That's a C, so let's play that with the thumb. Then we're just going to play the E string on its own. Legs don't smile. Then you're going to bring your ring and middle both down one. And just play from the D, used to bear. And then G, 4. Back to C. And I can't sweep you off of your feet. G. And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Very nice. Thank you. Okay, so you got that C, then you just play the E, you move the ring and the middle down one, and then go to your G. Nice and easy. Now the only other bit is, well, there's two other bits. There's the middle bit. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So it's going to be a D minor chord. Index finger on the first fret of the E, middle finger there on the second fret of the G, and then ring or little, whatever you feel more comfortable. I feel more comfortable with little, and that's D minor. And just play from the D string. People fall in love in me. And then G, mysterious ways. God, he's got a high voice, hasn't he? Okay, then D minor again. Maybe just a part of the plan. And then we'll do the same thing again. D minor. Well, I'll continue in mysterious ways. A minor. And then back to D. Hoping I am. And then we go back to the main bit. And darling, now. Like that. Thank you. Take me into your loving arms. Lead me under the light of 1,000 stars. Okay. Now the only other bit is this bit where right at the end of that. So we go from I'm thinking out loud, and baby we found love right where we are. So that's a huge mouthful. Let's forget all of that. We're going to go A minor. We found love right where we are. So A minor. So index finger on the first fret of the B, then ring finger on the second fret of the G, and middle finger directly above it there on the second fret of the D. Play from the A string. We found, then make your F shape there. Love right, then make a D minor. Where we, and back to C. Oh. And that's it. That's how to play Thinking Out Loud the easy peasy way by Ed Sheeran. Have a lovely day.